So we were talking about the coefficient method and how to find coefficient. We discussed about that one. Now we have to see how to apply this. To give the heading, solving PNC problem, solving PNC problems using coefficient method. Again, I am saying if you are not knowing this also, no problem. You can do all the questions by using your basic method, whatever you are knowing. But there is the certain situations where that other way doing will be very lengthy. So that's why we go for this one. And it's give the more clarity also what actually happening in reality. So what we do, every object we call it as a x. Simply any object is there, we'll give the name as a x. For example, suppose if I say there is the 5 different objects. Listen very, very carefully everybody. Different objects are there, 5 different objects. I want to select 2 objects. So what we will read, I am having 5x means x, how many times? 5x 5 times. I am having 5x, 5 times x. Every object as a x. Now, if I say I want to select the 2 objects out of this 5 objects, to think carefully. What is the possibility of this x? It may come in the selection or may not come. Yes or no? Bhai, total 5x are there. So, if total 5x are there, so if you ask to this x, will you come in the selection? It may or may not. So, this object bracket we form this way, x power 0 plus x. Slowly you will understand, don't worry. This one I will say x power 0 plus x. This one also x power 0 plus x. This one also x power 0 plus x. This one also x power 0 plus x. What is the meaning? This x is saying I may go to x power 1, but I can give only 1x. I can give only 1x or 0x. Either I will give 0x or I will give 1x. Either I will give 0x or I will give you 1x. Indirectly you will see x power 0 is what? 1. 1 plus x for how many times? 5 times. So 1 plus x power 5. Actually, 5 different objects written in this method, this style. This is the way of writing of 5 different objects. Why 1 plus x? Because 1x may come, may not come. Imagine, suppose if I say I am having A, B, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. What is the equivalent x of it? So what you will say? First go to the A. A will say either I will give 0A or I will give 1A or I will give 2A or I will give 3A. Yes or no? So the bracket of this A will be 1 plus x square plus x cube. Everything x only. What is the bracket of this? 1 plus x square. And all these are different. So now bracket of C 1 plus x, bracket of D 1 plus x, bracket of E 1 plus x, bracket of F 1 plus x, bracket of G 1 plus x, bracket of H 1 plus x, or indirectly you can say 1 plus x power 6. All of you able to understand how to represent in the form of x. So either a mixed object or different object or identical object, everything will be represented in this format. If I say I am having simply all are identical 6a, how will you write x format? So I will say 1 plus x square plus so on up to x power 6. That's all. This is the bracket of this. Is it clear to everybody? Understood the point? Now, coming to this point, if I ask you in this question, I want to select 2x means I want to select x square from where? From 1 plus x. So simply we'll say selection of two object out of 5 different object equivalent to coefficient of x square in 1 plus x power 5. In 1 plus x power 5, because you want two object out of 5 different object. So 5 different object we represent this way, and I want two object, mean 2 times x, means x square I want. So we say coefficient of x square in this expression, and that you already know 5c2. Did you understand the point? Am I right? So this is the way we used to write it. Logic is very simple, but here slight calculation will be there. That has to be allowed. But first we should understand how to write it. So if I say, listen me carefully, how do you write? If question is coming, let's make it simple question. In how many ways? In how many ways 3 object can be selected from AA, BB, CC, DD, EE, FF. Correct? I want to select 3 objects. That's all. Very simple. First thing, can I make this one bracket? Speak out. Can I make it as a bracket? AA, how will you make the bracket? 1 plus x square and means into 1 plus x square and 1 plus x square. Very, very simple. 1 plus x square whole power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Coefficient of x power 3. That's all. That's the answer. Right? Is this clear to everybody? And this, if you want to do, that's very simple. This is the GP. So I'll say coefficient of x cube in 1 minus x cube. 1 minus x cube power 6 into 1 minus x power minus 6. I hope all of you will understand. We discuss all this. So we'll say coefficient of x cube in, if you expand this one, the first term will be what? 1. Second term will be what? 6x cube. And third term will x power more than 3. So I should ignore that one. Into 1 minus x power minus 6. So that will be equal to coefficient of x cube in 1 minus x power minus 6 minus 6 into coefficient of x power 0 in 1 minus x power minus 6. I don't know you understood or not. X cube already there, no? Have you understand this point? This line everybody clear? So what is going to be happen? This part answer direct, 6 plus 3 minus 1 C3 minus 6 into 0 plus 6 minus 1 C0. So 6, 9 minus 1, that will become what? 8C3. 8C3 minus 6 into, this is the 5C0, 1. 8C3 will be what? 8 into 7 into 6 divided, 8 into 7, 42 I think. Yes, no? How much will be 8C3? 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 factorial, 6, 8. 56. 56 minus 6, answer will be 50. Check calculation. I may do a mistake. Is this clear to everybody? This will be answer. If you still writing, take a screenshot. I'm changing the page. in how many ways? Four letter can be selected. Four letters can be selected from letters of the word mathematics. Do it by using coefficient method. Look at here. Four letter we have to select. Of course, it's not necessary we have to go by the coefficient method only, but we are practicing the coefficient method. We can do without the coefficient also. We can make the cases that all four different, two identical. Remember all of you. So that case also we can do. But right now we are doing this one and we are trying to do by that. So mathematics, first I will arrange it properly. M2 time. This is gone. A2 time. This is gone. And what else 2 time? T also 2 time. T also 2 time. 2 time is gone, and all are different, I think. H E I C S. H E I C S. Yes. Correct. So first we will make the bracket of it. This bracket will be what? 1 plus x square. So 1 plus x square power 3 into, this will become what? 1 plus x power 5. Coefficient of x power 4 in. Yes or no? Now coefficient you have to find. I think this question last class, same kind of question we discussed for calculation of coefficient. Anyway, I'll do. So this is the 1 plus x and x square. So 1 plus x whole cube, 1 plus x whole cube into 5 power 8 plus 3 into coefficient of x power 4 in 1 plus x whole square into this. So 1 x square into 1 plus x power 7. I will not explain. 3a square b plus 3 into coefficient of x power 4 in 1 plus x into 3, this power 4, x power 4 in 1 plus x power 6 plus coefficient of x power 4 in x power 6 into 1 plus x power 7. Sorry, 5. I hope all of you understood what I did. This I expanded by using a plus b whole cube, and this I multiply. Here it will become 8c4. This case gum. Now here coefficient of x power 4 in this means coefficient of x power 2 in this. Yes or no? So plus 3 into 7c2 plus 3 into 6c0. Why? Because x power 4 already there. And here the no term, plus 0. So 8c4 is your, I think, how much? 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. 8, 7, 6. 8, 7, 6, 5 by 4 into 3 into 2. This cancel. This is the 270. Plus 7c2 is the 7 into 6 by 2, 21. 21 into 3, 63. 63 plus 3 into 60 means 3. That's going to be 136. Yes. How many of you got it? Hey, nobody got it. Chali. This question, this coefficient question we discussed last class. Look. Oh, that was x cube was there. No, not this. I think last class I discussed. Yes, same question I discussed. Exactly same. But still not able to do all of you. Huh? That means not revising. चलिए नेक्स्ट, लुक हियर। Right now, if 3 dice are of, you know, Ludo, that game, one cube used to be there. This is not cube. Yeah. I hope all of you know dice. One cube used to be there where the numbering will be there everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many faces are there? 6. So 6 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same thing. 3 dice are thrown together. Then, in how many ways? A sum of 15 can come. 15 can come. You are throwing a dice. In how many ways the sum of 15 can come? Listen me, I will do it. We should save time. Cross check carefully, everybody. Stop writing. 3 dice are there. First, second, third. We thrown. Suppose on first dice X came, second dice Y came, third dice Z came. Some number will come. So what they are saying कि X plus Y plus Z must be equal to 15. This is what the meaning. Are yes or no? Now think carefully. In the X, what is the possibility? X, what can come? Either 1 can come, or 2 can come, or 3 can come. Up to minimum 1 will come and maximum 6 will come. Listen me very carefully now. I can say this can give you either x power 1 or x power 2 or x power 3, so on up to x power 6. Not getting. And this can give you x power 1 or x power 2 or x power 3 up to x power 6. This also will say, I will also same thing. Means, and I want how many x? I want 15x. So I will simply say coefficient of x power 15 in x plus x square plus x cube plus so on up to x power 6 power 3. Could not understand. Have you understand the point or not? We want x 15x. First dice is saying I can give you x or x square or x3 cube or up to x power 6. Second dice is saying I can give you x or x square or x cube up to x power 6. Third dice is saying I can also do same thing. Have you understand? So this, is it clear to everybody? So this will be equal to coefficient of x power 15 in, watch it, x cube into 1 plus x square, so on x power 5 whole cube. Just x I take in common. So this will be equal to coefficient of x power 15 in this total means x power 12 in this. Coefficient of x power 12 in. And this I can write what? 1 minus x power 6 power 3 into 1 minus x power minus 3. Could not understand. Understood everybody? Now, watch carefully. Stop writing. So that I will say coefficient of x power 12 in, expand this. Expansion of a cube minus b cube formula by 1 minus 3 a square b minus 3 x power 6 plus 3 x power 12 minus x power 18 into 1 minus x power minus 3. Yes or no? Calculation please check. Is the calculation correct? A minus B whole cube formula is correct, na? I do mistake there. Correct. Now I am multiplying. Wait, don't write. This case, can I ignore here itself? Wait, I am looking x power 12. When this will multiply with this, if you want x power 12, so this should give you x power minus 6, which is not possible. So why unnecessary waste time? So I'll say coefficient of x power 12. Coefficient of x power 12 in. Watch it. Multiply 1 minus x power minus 3 minus 3 into x power 6 into 1 minus x power minus 3 plus 3 into x power 12 into 1 minus x power minus 3. Now done. What is the coefficient of x power 12 in this? 12 plus 3 minus 1 C12. 12 plus 3 minus 1 C12. Formula you should remember. Minus 3 into coefficient of x power 12 in this total. I will say coefficient of x power 6 in this. So that will be what? 3 plus 6 minus 1 C3 6 plus 3 into coefficient of x power 12 in this total means coefficient of x power 0 in this. So that will be 0 plus 3 minus 1 C0. I hope it's clear to all of you. 12 plus 3, 15, 15 minus 1, 14, 14 C12. 14 C12 means 14 C2. 14 C2 minus 3 into 9 minus 1 C, 8 C2 plus 3 into 2 C1, that is the 1. 14 C2 will be what? 14 into 13 by 2 means 7 into 13. 7 into 13 means 91. 91 minus 8 C2, 8 into 7 by 2 means 28. 28 into 3, 84. Yes, 28 into 3, 84. 84 plus 3. 91 minus 84 will be become 7. 7 plus 3 will become 10. This is the answer. Maximum of you collapse. Did you understand? Such kind of question will be done only by coefficient method. Other method will be too lengthy. See, try to think what actually this is. This is solution of the equation x plus y plus z equal to 15. You will say, sir, we are having formula for that. Means directly we used to do. It's very simple. But there is a problem. Minimum one object should come to everyone as well as maximum 6. Here minimum and maximum both conditions are there. So grouping method for minimum, if it's only minimum is there, then we will be happy. Easily we can do it. But here it's a minimum as well as maximum, both condition is there. So if you want to do by that way, you have to make so many cases and do. Best option, go by the coefficient method. See, I already told you coefficient method little bit painful. But once you will do 10-15 question practice, this will become your one of the most favorite method for the doing P&C question. Because that will remove the cases condition unnecessary. We don't care about that. It's identical object, different object, that object. It's take care everything. And it's very much used in the probability and all. If you, all of you have the little bit idea about the probability, there's such kind of question used to come. 3 dice are thrown, find out the probability that case sum should be 10. So that is the way it has to be taken care into this. I know it's painful. Take a screenshot. I'm changing the page. Same kind of question. 3 dice are thrown. Find number of V to get sum 12. No mistake. Do carefully. Got it? Check it here. Same thing. Only thing we have to do, in place of 15 last time, we are doing 12. Coefficient of x power 12 in x plus x square plus so on up to x power 6 power 3. So we'll say coefficient of x power 12 in, from here x common, so that will become x cube outside, and what is left here, 1 plus x square up to x power 5, which I can write 1 minus x power 6 whole cube into 1 minus x power minus 3. I am doing correct? So expanding coefficient of x power 12 in, and 12 3 I remove it, so I can simply say this will become 9 in, expand this one, what will get, 1 minus 3x power 6 plus 3x power 12 minus x power 18 into 1 minus x power minus 3. This is simple. These two I will reject. Why I will reject? Why will be rejected? Because this power is what? More than the what required. So this should be given negative, but that is not possible. So I will get coefficient of x power 9 in 1 minus x power minus 3. So that will become 9 plus 3 minus 1 C9 minus 3 into x power 6 already there, the coefficient of x power 3. So that will become 9, coefficient of x power 3 in this. So that will become 3 plus 3 minus 1 C3, which will be 11 C9, or you can say 11 C2 minus 3 into 6 minus 1, 5 C3. 11 C2 will be at 11 into 10 by 2 means 55 minus 5 C3 is the 10, 3 into 10, 30. Answer will be 25. If I didn't do any calculation mistake, I don't know. How many of you got 25? Okay. Is this clear? Anybody have any doubt? Next question. If anybody is still writing, please take a screenshot. I'll change the page. Find number of solution of x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on till xm is equal to n, where xi greater than equal to 0. Actually, it's not a question, it's a proof which we did already. Try to recall. This is a group by grouping method we did or not. N identical object into the M group. if empty group allowed, we know, you know the answer of this question. We can tell oral or not. What is the answer? We are distributing n identical coin into the m people, and empty group allowed. So I'll say n plus m minus 1 c. भूल गया सब के सब. M minus 1. Am I right or not? This was the answer. We know. I want to prove it. Because this is the one way we already prove by using partition method. Can we do by other way? We can do by coefficient method very easily, cross checking. So I will say coefficient of x power n, because I want n number of x. This says that I can give you there is a problem, slight problem. This can give you how many x? It can give you 0x, or it can give you 1x, or it can give you 2. Up to what x it can give you? All the n. By sum has to be n. Sum has to be n. So this is the container x1, x2, x3, so on xn. This here, how many x can come? Either 0x, no x will come, or 1x will come, or 2x will come, or up to nx can come. But all the n can come here on x1 or not. So how will you make the bracket of x1? 1 plus x square plus so on up to x power n. Did not understand. Are you understood or not? This is the bracket of x1. What is the bracket of x2? x2 also will say I may get 0x or 1x or 2x up to nx. Same. So how many time? M time this bracket. Did you understand the point? So we'll say coefficient of, watch it carefully, after that only write x power n in. This is the GP. And this I can write 1 minus x power n plus 1 divided by 1 minus x. Yes or no? I will say coefficient of x power n in 1 minus x power n plus 1 power m into 1 minus x power minus m. If you expand this, think very carefully. 1 minus a x power something, m expansion is what? It will be, first term will be 1, next term onwards a will come, a square will come, and so on. If you expand this, the first term will be 1, but next term will be what? X power n plus 1. After that, x power n plus 1 power 2 means x power 2n plus 2. Yes or no? Can I ignore the term where x power n plus 1 and bigger is coming? Yes, because we have to get the coefficient of x power n. X power n plus 1 term, if you consider, so this has to give me x power minus 1, which is not possible. So I will say this will be equal to coefficient of x power n in 1 minus x power minus m. And that will be equal to what? N plus m minus 1 Cn, which is nothing but n plus m minus 1 Cm minus 1. Have you understand the point? I know this will be a little bit difficulty will be there for all of you. It's not that much easy. So, but until unless you will not do practice, it will not be done. So now what we are going to do from my side, PNC theory is over. One more lecture I am going to do for the problem discussion. Just for the different type of problems discussion we are going to do. Okay. So in the next class I will show the questions, you will try for 1 minute, and I will be doing the things. So today's your homework is that one, complete examples. All the example of your study material must be completed. In WhatsApp group, before evening, before 6 o'clock, I should go, means before evening, I should get the question example doubt. Which questions example you are not able to, which example you are not able to solve it. Or maybe by looking solution also you are not able to solve it. You are not able to understand. That has to be specified. So send in WhatsApp group, you have to send the page number, this is the page number and this is the question number, example number. Okay, so first I will discuss in the next class only those example which is you are facing problem. Understand? After discussing these example, I will do some miscellaneous questions. So by that your this P and C will get over. So you will get this week time to finish the exercises. But before that you have to finish the examples. So all the example must be completed today itself, and I should get your doubts today itself, so that in the next class first I should address these doubts, after that only we will proceed further, right? So for today's this much only, we'll continue in the next lecture. Okay, so thank you very much.